Good morning and good evening. In this video, we're going to talk about MobaXterm. So MobaXterm is a Windows-only free tool that is designed for remote work. MobaXterm offers a lot of features such as support for SSH, SFTP, VNC, Telnet, and many more. It also has a graphical SFTP browser, so basically it means you can copy files from and to your remote desktop. It also has an X11 server, which means you can run Linux GUI applications directly on your Windows system, and many other cool features. So let's get started. Go to your browser and type in MobaXterm. The first link you see here is the one you want to select. Now go to downloads. Now there are two versions, Home Edition, Professional Edition. Home Edition is the free version. However, it does limit the number of SSH sessions you can run in parallel. But for personal use, this should be more than enough. So let's get started. Now, the Home Edition itself comes in two different variations. One is the Portable Edition, the other is the Installer Edition. The Portable Edition just allows you to run the application without having to install on your system. But the cool feature about the Installer Edition is you can save your password, you can save your IP addresses, so it's easier to log in the next time. So we're going to go with the Installer Edition first. Once the installer is downloaded, once the download is complete, let's go to the downloads folder. We need to unzip it first. Yes. And click on the Windows installer link. Select next. Accept the terms. If you want to change your directory where you're installing MobaXterm, feel free to do so. I'll just keep it as is for now. And then click on install. So the installation actually took less than a minute. It could vary depending on your system, but let's just close this and go to the install application. So MobaXterm was installed on my desktop, so let's just open it. I want to start a new session, so new session, I want to do an SSH. So I already have another remote system that's installed. I'm just providing its IP address. Click on OK. Now I want to log in using my user ID and password. If you want to save your password, click on yes. For now, I'm just going to use So I've successfully logged into my remote server. You can go to any directory, run any files that you want. And the good thing about MobaXterm is that you can copy files to and from your system. So for example, I want to go to temp directory and I want to copy this file. You just drag it onto your desktop and there you have it. If you want to delete any particular file, you can just right click and delete. It's gone from your system. So the graphical user interface is very useful in MobaXterm. Thanks for listening in, guys. Take care. Goodbye.